Ask your father, the king of our great land. He will confirm it. You can't cheat the gods.
It is true, my son. That is something I never told you. When I was young, studying abroad, my father, your grandfather, was sick. And I was called back home to get married. The moment I came back, he got married. He was healed. Yes, he was healed of his affirmities. And the same fate awaits you now. So get married and then I shall.
And good enough, he has a beautiful wife, Monalisa, here for him. A very beautiful princess.
Chief priest, so what are the necessary requirements?
All the necessary rites must be fulfilled.
God. My prince.
Yes, father.
And my princess. Did both of you remember the discussion I had with you on the day of your arrival?
Yes, father. I remember.
Chibiki,
Your Highness.
do you remember the discussion I had with you in my private chamber?
Yes, Your Highness. I do remember.
Amara,
My king.
do you remember the discussion I had with you on the day we strolled out?
Yes, your majesty.
Amara, would you like to get married to my prince? The Grand Prince of Monalisa Kingdom?
I will, my king.
Chibiki,
Your Majesty.
would you like to get married to my princess and I make you my son?
I will, Your Highness.
I agree. So you knew that my husband wanted Amara hand in marriage all this while. I went ahead sleeping, kissing, doing all those abominable acts with her? Really?
No, Your Majesty. I am really sorry, but my relationship with Amara has nothing to do with emotions.
I am aware of their friendship.
What?
I am aware of their friendship and I think I'm okay with it.
Wait, just ordinary love. Just love.
Yes, father. I will marry Amara and I will make her the queen of this kingdom.
No! No, this is not right. This wasn't the agreement. This was where you promised me, my Lord, my Majesty.
My queen. This is something.
No.
Just friendship. Why not? Why? You don't come to a trailer.
How is His Majesty's condition? It worsens with each sunset. He grows weaker by the hour.
The gods have spoken. They demand the return of Prince Ikenna. Only his presence can save the king of the death that grips him.
Prince Ikenna? Hey. After so many years, why now? It is well with us. Hey.
I only speak what the gods revealed. The rest lies beyond human comprehension.
The prince, will he ever return? Huh? Will he ever return? Ichemode. Ichokafo.
Ono woman Abuche. Remember, the gods demand the return of the prince. Oh no.
What is your name?
Justin, why are you doing this to yourself? Eh? The king will be fine. I assure you.
When he's lying lifeless in there.
The gods will not abandon him at this time. He will surely be fine. Oh? The chief is coming now.
Chief Priest, how is my husband? How is the king?
Yes, Chief Priest, how is the king doing?
What you need to know has been delivered to the Council of Elders.
Hey, my queen! Mama Jessie, get water, get water! What is that? Mama Jessie, please don't do this. Your Majesty, please. I told you, get hold of yourself, please. Nothing will happen to the king. Water, fast! Fast, fast!
Your Majesty, that was the exact word of the chief priest. We did not add anything.
So why do you want my son to come home now? Why you kidnap my son?
Well, Your Majesty, he did not say much, but only the girls know why they summoned the prince. Please, just take it easy. Oh?
So, Your Highness will not be healed except my son comes home. Is that what you all are saying?
Please, Your Majesty, do not jump into conclusions.
Yes, my queen. Our focus now is on the return of our prince. That's our priority.
Your Majesty, we beg to take our leave.
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintained peace in the land. Also a place where history
Dikeh dikwana kamu amodogu ejiro kamu no ye dari bija mudeni onyamu na mu isi ako na ebe na lile gwo mmanwu awu Dikeh ekwe Dikeh da sheika towo netiri ya igwe ni ga diri mu ndo kara mu nka o ihe je mego da chekwekwe ne ya ọ na-aka mma ke wala amala tie no ba amala go ba amala ura amala na mam.
My son, my prince, should return back home.
I'll tell him to come back home. You'll see your son, okay? Don't worry, he'll be back.
Including my princess, my daughter. I want to see both of them.
It's okay, I'll ask them to come home. It's okay, my king. You'll be fine. Son, you and your sister have to come home. Your father wants to see both of you. You coming home is not because of your father's request, but it has been ordered by the gods that you must be here. So you and your sister must come home immediately. That's an order from the gods, not even from your father.
My son.
Mama.
You're leaving so early.
Mama, yes, so I have to leave now. I have lots of palm trees to tap. And besides, the sun is set already, so I have to be going.
The food is almost ready now, Because you want to be funny.
Mama, but then I don't have time, I have to go. There's no time. Mama, I cannot wait. The food has to wait, okay?
Hey.
I'll be back soon,
Okay, my son. You will go well, May the gods guide you, now.
This one, the gods and the king himself demand for a prince return. Are we sure he's going to make it?
Definitely he has no choice. He must. See, whatever the gods want, they must get it. It's not compromise.
But no, have you spoken to him directly?
Because this is a matter of urgency. Well, to tell you people the truth, I have not. I am yet to get in contact with him. But surely I must call him. Yes, I must call him.
Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. You have to make it on time. Oh, call him on time. Because the ways of the gods are not the ways of men. We don't know why the gods demand his return. Remember, oh no, time. Time, they said. Wait for no man.
Is that why you are raising your voice?
I
have heard you. I have heard you. Call him.
Time, they said.
Stop telling me that nonsense. You are commanding me as if you are my headmaster. I will call him when I get home. In a raising voice.
My customers. It seems you people are very, very, very happy. Enjoy. I am coming. Hey, I am telling you, this is my palm wine. It is fresh stuff, my brother. I had to climb the tallest tree to get this. Ah, enjoy.
Chibiki, this one, Jay, where?
Okwima.
Or the shop.
Okwa balofuma. Okwa balofuma. Ima ebe mi emem.
The shop.
Hey, thank you. All the pamma.
Chibiki. This Obangan go make person forget your wahala.
If I don't take this up wine, I feel no come for night, man.
There is nothing else I am doing with my life. I am always at your service. As a matter of fact, I will keep on tapping palm wine as long as I am living.
Yes, sir.
I will keep on making you people to enjoy and forget your sorrows. Iwe. Ah. Wow. Hey. Ah. My chief guard. Greetings, my chief guard.
You know why I'm here?
Yes, I do know why you are here.
The king demands your palm wine. He needs a keg immediately.
Hey, I don't have up to a keg here, but I just have a little. But anything for my king, I will just come up with something. How is he? How is he faring?
You know the king loves your palm wine. It makes him sleep well. You know that, right?
Yes, I know.
He needs it right now.
Okay, hold on. I'm coming now. Hey, well, look at it. It's not full, like I said, but this is what I was able to come up with. Hey.
Okay, you can always come to the palace for your money, as usual.
I will. Please, one more thing. Extend my greetings to the king. Yes, I will come in the evening.
All right.
I will come in the evening. Hey! Aha! Tell your highness I will come in the evening. Hey! Wow.
This your Obangan go make person forget all your
I am telling you, do you need some more? I will just add. If I don't need this for one, I will just add. If I don't do this for one, I feel come for night. You can say that again. You can say that. Wait. Amara.
What's going on?
You know now, that is the palace chief guy. That's the palace chief guy. Amara, you cannot believe it. Do you know the point that the king can no more do without my palm wine? See, the palace guard came and said that the king requested for me. But you know, I am busy. So he said, I should just give him my palm wine. I gave him my palm wine. Amara, my palm wine is now a royal household wine. Yeah.
Wait. I am still talking to you. How is the king's illness? Hope he's recovering.
I don't know for now. I will go there by evening, then I will verify. I will check on him by evening.
Help me set this firewood so that I can start. Come now.
Jealousy.
Me? Jealous of
Jealousy.
me?
Because you heard I'm going to the palace. No, now. I believe me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. What is it? Because you hear I'm going to the palace, you now want to distract me with your fire.
Chibiki, I want to buy palm wine.
Obegeri? You want to buy palm wine? Oh yeah, wait. Let me help her and get fix fire.
Every time you be helping her, you not focus on your own business. You and this Amara self, I've been hearing a lot about you too. You will not get married. You are not dating. You are just deceiving us.
Jealousy. You will not focus on the reason why you came here.
Yeah.
Don't pop close into my affairs.
Amara.
Go if you want to buy palm wine. Leave Amara alone. Do you understand me? Obegeri, do whatever you want to do. Chibiki, come and help me.
Wait. So, Obegeri, you left all the way from your house, entered my shop to come and be poke-nosing into what doesn't concern. Obegeri, you say you want to buy palm wine, Abi? Ngwa. See the keg. See the glass. Shut up. See the glass. See the keg. See the jug. Serve yourself. After serving yourself, you bring my money.
Okay, after serving myself, I will still pay.
You no go pay me. You no go pay me because I am the cause of your frustration. You no go pay me because now me bring you come this world. See, go and serve yourself. After serving yourself, you bring my money. If you go away with my money, you know the other day you left with my money, I will break your head. Don't allow her to touch my palm wine. Madam, you are jealous because I want to
If I drink your palm wine, I will not pay you.
Jealousy. Go and serve yourself.
That is calling you.
Come now.
I am coming. Let me help her. Let me help her. Jealousy, madam.
Let me call this boy. That was the message from the gods. Your father needs you immediately. Yes. Mba, Prince. Suspend every other engagement. This is very, very important. It is the gods that decreed it. It's the will of the gods. That's fine. Very well. Be safe.
Where have you been? I've been looking for you.
The king sent me to go get palm wine from Chibiki.
So why didn't you bring Chibiki instead?
He's indisposed at the moment, Your Majesty, but he promises to come.
Okay, take the palm wine inside. Get me the golden cup.
Alright, thank you, Your Majesty.
Who is this Chibiki? Chibiki is a special, gifted palm wine tapper. I don't know the mysterious thing in that palm wine that makes my husband so happy. Makes his heart merry.
That's lovely to hear. I can't wait to taste this palm wine.
Please. It's not your palm wine, it's my husband's palm wine.
So that my heart will be gladdened as well.
Oh, please.
What's that? I have to lay down.
I know.
Duty calls.
I know. Whenever you look at your time, I know you're about to go in. It's okay.
I will always have.
I know.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care of yourself.
And you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Since the prince's return was announced, the queen hardly leaves the palace. Wouldn't you do the same, hearing your daughter is to wed him? The palace walls have ears. We didn't say anything wrong, ma. I have spoken. Excuse me.
Where is Chibiki? The one that melts my case away.
The chief guard said he will come later.
He's a good boy. I believe he will love to stay.
Love to stay where?
Some things are better hidden than spoken. You will understand. My queen. In time you will.
Monalisa, listen to me. You need to come back home as soon as possible. You must put everything on hold. The prince is due to come back. And I want you to come back before he returns. I don't want any girl to take your place. Did you hear that? Listen to me. The king's illness has brought us this blessing. And your union with the prince, just pray it continues. It's not a bad prayer, my daughter, as long as it continues. It works out. And I'll be waiting for your call. Thank you.
Hey, who do we have here? My one and only beautiful damsel.
My love, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
You're early from the market this morning.
Yes, because the traders closed so early, so I had to come back. I already finished my errands.
Wow, really? Okay, let me help you with that.
Obin, don't worry. This bag is lighter than your heart. I know, but thank you.
I'm pleased to hear that. So, how is Mama doing this morning?
She's fine.
And I hope you got everything she asked of you.
Obim, I got the fresh pepper and smoked fish for the stew.
Really?
Yes.
Perfect. Your cooking puts others to shame. And that's what I'm talking about
You can say that again.
Let me walk you home.
Okay.
Come on, I miss you. Please, those step of yours, your beautiful face, everything.
Greetings, Where is His Majesty?
His Majesty is in the chamber.
What of the law?
Where the rivers weep, the eagle calls. His blood must heed his second throne. Only when the lost returns shall the lion roar again.
Your Majesty.
Welcome, Mama.
Greetings, Ono. How are you?
I'm fine. No Cheze. I greet you. Igwe, how are you faring?
I'm good. Chibike's palm wine is doing wonders on me.
May the gods bless him.
And have you been able to speak with my son?
Oh, yes, I did. I spoke with him and he assured me he will be coming home, but next week.
What's the sense of this procrastination? He ought to have been here by now, because the ways of the gods is quite different from our own way of reasoning.
You know, the way of these young boys of nowadays is not our way too. So let's just oblige him. The gods will understand. Your Majesty, please, can you oblige me a tete-a-tete, just a word with you, if you don't mind.
My queen, please excuse us.
Are you all right?
Yes, I am. The Chibike's palm wine has been very helpful. That is the reason why I sent for you.
May the gods of our ancestors bless you. You said you sent for me.
That boy Chibiki is the reason why you're here.
Are you alright?
Your Majesty, I am very alright. But have you been well?
Yes. Just that I'm wondering what the king really wants from Chibiki.
The walls are so strong. I mean, so hard for my mouth to utter. Your Majesty, can I beg to take my leave?
It's okay, you can go.
Your Majesty, do you want anything?
No, thank you.
Come with me, my royal gifts from the gods. Let us find some sweet, beautiful place, just you and I. Now that the queen and the king rest. Come, let's go. Come.
Okay.
Wait now.
Come, what is happening? Why are you so much in a hurry?
My attention is needed in the palace. The king asked for me. So yes, I'm just getting ready.
But you know I've been waiting for you now, so we'll go back home together. You know what? Let me help you pack. Then you can also help him when I'm done packing.
No, let me help you first. You know you are lazy to pack. Let me just help you first to pack.
Chibiki, relax. I will help you. I'm almost done. I will help you first. Then you can come help me. Then we'll go to the palace before going home.
Hey, be fast. But help me.
You and your love, sir. We should get married and start doing this meat business. I bet you get meat.
Meat don't finish, eh?
Yeah.
Tomorrow if you come, we get royal business. We go. Tomorrow.
Busybody. Ndị amin. Kilimanjaro.
At me like that, like you want to strip me naked.
I'm just admiring your beauty. I mean, you are beautiful.
I know I'm beautiful, but thanks for saying I'm beautiful all the time.
No, you are my friend. Come on, I have to.
Yes, you are my friend. Okay, what next?
Like what? No, what is your mind trying to tell you now? I'm only admiring your beauty and that's it. I mean, where's your mind going?
My friend, what's that? Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings. How are you?
I am fine.
What is it about your palm wine that makes my husband feel healthy each time he...
Your Majesty, actually my palm wine is the best palm wine in this community. As a matter of fact, whenever the king takes my palm wine, he feels so good. It cures his sicknesses.
And that's because it's very fresh.
Yes.
Is there something you add to it that makes him addicted to it?
No, Your Majesty.
It's natural.
Very natural. Very, very, very natural.
What is that your name again?
My name is Amara, Your Majesty.
I know whose daughter, right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
And you came with him to the palace?
Yes, the thing is, we always go back home together.
Exactly.
Since he told me he was coming to the palace, I decided to come with him so we can go back home together.
Go back home together.
Go back home together?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you very much. Yeah? Thank you.
You come. What do you know about these two people?
Your Majesty, they've been friends since childhood. They go to market together, they cook together, they do almost everything together. Their souls are inseparable, Your Majesty.
Really?
Yes, Your Majesty.
It's okay, you can go.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Chibiki, how are you?
I am fine, Your Highness. I'm very good.
Tell me, what is happening in the village?
Oh, Your Highness, the village is good though. The village is really good. As a matter of fact, the village is very blessed. Your Highness, you cannot believe this. I mean, rainy season have come. Farmers are rejoicing because the land is fertile and their crops are doing quite well. Most importantly, Your Highness, the trees are swamped with water. That the palm trees produces fresh wine.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. Jai, my palm wine, gladys the hearts of the people. Your bushy beauty gives them taste of sweetness. My palm wine, gladys the hearts of the people.
What about the king? How is his condition? Oh no, are you okay?
Oh, sorry. I am very, very okay. Just thinking about Prince's return and his safety. And also His Majesty's health.
Oh no, he will return safely. And we must take the judgment of the gods and await his return.
Exactly the type you used to like.
It's amazing.
Ah, yes, Your Highness. It is indeed amazing.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever.
Amara. Amara.
So fast. My palm wine, gladys the hearts of the people. Your bushy beauty gives them taste of sweetness. My palm wine gladys the heart of the people. Your bushy beauty gives them taste of sweetness. This friendship, not forever, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands,
What is wrong with you? Why are you sleeping like a frog?
The king's heart is always at peace. Each time he sees us, Makanibo beauty, Anina Saya Poli Poli, our friendship, all the Chubunaka, Onimo, Onimo, Onimo. This friendship,
My love, I'm going to make you a good meal that you're going to eat and eat. You will not forget about.
I trust. That's what I'm talking about you all the time.
How far away from
Chibiki. My friend. How are you? I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine,
You're fine. I can see both of you are enjoying yourselves.
Exactly.
Hey.
What to do?
Hey.
How was it today now?
Eventful, as usual.
I trust you. I know what you can do. Well, let me not take your whole evening. I was about taking my leave before you came in.
Oh.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, that's all right. That's okay. Let me just take my time to refreshen up and then eat. I hope there's something at home for me.
Oh, yes.
The question should be, what do you have at home? What do you buy? The question should be, what do you have at home?
I cook.
I am hungry. I don't have time for this. You know what you do? Drop this on inside. Then bring me the one you have. Okay. You go in now. You know you can't. Two fufu. Make it two. Hey.
Oh, now you listen to me, Monalisa. I don't know what it will take you today to the country. But I need you in Nigeria by tomorrow. No excuses. Thank you.
Tell me exactly what you are waiting for.
Father, I don't understand.
Could this be a hide and seek game? That people are seeing both of you walking around the town, running around, laughing like children.
Oh, Father, I still do not get it.
See, tell me exactly what is going on between you and Chibiki.
Chibiki, he's my best friend.
Your best friend? Define that your relationship with him so that we can do the needful. We don't have time.
Father, he's been my best friend for years now.
Let that best friend bring him palm wine so that we can do the necessary rites and take you to his home.
Father, are you okay?
I'm perfectly okay. Very, very okay.
You're not sounding fine. You're not sounding your usual self. You sound off.
Amara.
Father, by morning when you feel better, we can talk. For now, no. Please, Father.
Come back here.
I'm sorry, Father.
What kind of child is this? You must marry Chibiki, whether you like it or not. And very, very soon, it must happen.
Where are you going?
Mama. Hey, Mama. I have a very wonderful, amazing offer. Mama, I was asked to deliver palm wine in the palace.
I'm happy
Mama,
for you.
Not plenty money.
Hey, balance. Oh, no.
I don't really have time. Hey, Mama. Hey. Mama, you cannot believe it. Let me come.
Dear. When you return, I have something to discuss with you. Biko.
What is it? Hey, talk to me now. You don't have to wait for me to return.
It's about time you think of getting married. Chibiki.
Mama, you are fooling me again. Marriage.
Why is it that anytime I talk about this marriage issue, you just push me off?
Mama, you are talking about this marriage.
You don't want to get married.
No, it's not about that, Mama. You are talking about this marriage at the wrong time. Mama, we are talking about making real cash. It's very good. And you are here telling me about marriage. Mama, there's no time. There's no time, Mama.
There's no time. Chibiki.
Mama, there's no time. Now wait.
Chibiki, there's no time. There's no time. Can't wait for no one. It's about time you get married.
Mama, there's no time, eh?
Yeah.
Don't worry. When I return, we'll talk about it, eh? Mama, remember to keep my food, so don't finish everything.
Go, no so bad run till you come back. Just think about it,
Really, Your Majesty? Is it that serious? What you told me earlier?
Our plan is still as it is. It's still on.
Our plan? Your Majesty, you're getting me confused. The last time you said things are getting out of hand.
My son will soon be in town. Yes.
Are you for real? That's good to hear.
Welcome, eyes of the gods.
Greetings, eye of the gods.
Eye of the gods.
Greetings.
Your Majesty, I must speak with the king. It is urgent.
Let me inform him of your presence.
Your Majesty, I need to get to the rest.
Okay, let me check you there.
His Royal Highness, King of our great kingdom.
Eyes of the gods, what troubles your heart?
The prince must return in the next Eke market day.
But my health has improved.
The gods insist that the prince must return. It is a divine instruction.
Your Highness, what did he say?
Call your son. Tell him to come back before the next Eke market day.
Your Majesty, what happened? What's the problem?
They said I should call my son to come back home.
Wow. Is that why your face is like this? Call him then. It's a good one. It's a good news. At least let him come back. Come on, cheer up. Miss Apuni hunne mama. Miss Apiho, my queen. Yeah. Why don't you call him? Call him immediately.
She's more eager for the prince than the queen herself. Her daughter will be queen. You wouldn't rest either. Sure, I would even do more. When I think about...
Why do you do
Nothing, sir, nothing, sir.
The queen requests your presence.
We didn't do anything bad, sir.
Then come prove it.
Igwe, the gods have spoken. Prince must return. But he said he is busy. Can't it wait? Can't it wait? Your Majesty, after all, Chibike's palm wine has been sustaining your health.
Is he okay?
Igwe, Ndiji, I hope I have spoken your minds.
Mazi, don't worry yourself. Ono slept wrongly last night. And I think I have to send for the physician to come and check him.
Your Highness, Biko, we must obey the gods. We must obey the gods. The prince must return. If not, calamity is about to strike us here. Biko Kwanu.
Chimode, I think I agreed with you. I totally agreed with you, and I agreed.
Hello? Not fine. You must return the next Eke market day. Else, you will come back my burial.
Igwe. Oh no! Hey, Your Majesty, you did not tell us that you are a better actor than your son.
Your Highness, Your Majesty, honestly speaking, you are a great actor. You even act more than those in the Nollywood. Why can't you join them and begin to act? So that we know that our king is not an actor. Why don't you just kill us?
He does not know that I'm smarter than him. You know, sometimes you need to prove who you are. And I am a man.
Oh no, you are not saying anything to this. Aren't you happy with this action from our king?
I have nothing to say. He is the king. He is infallible.
It's alright. At times, a little trick is necessary.
Yes.
You know that the new Gen Zs, they call us the oldies, not knowing that we are smarter than them.
But honestly, Igwe, you carried this too far. In fact, I was beginning to think it is real. Is it the right place to give me a drink?
Oh no, I only served you palm wine. I only served you a drink.
I am not blind, I can see it's palm wine. But is this the right place?
So, oh no, be coming down. Let the young man be.
I believe there should be some garnished meat. That's the one to go with this power.
My elders, I don't know why men like meat a lot, especially the bush meat. Chief guard.
Yes, my king.
To supply us with a well garnished, tasty fried meat.
Yes, my king.
This is what I've been enjoying here.
Your Majesty. The chef says there's no meat left.
What?
The delivery made earlier by the butcher is finished. You have to go to the market to get more and prepare.
Who said so? Go and summon the chef here. Tell her that I need to see her.
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please, if I may suggest, I think that will take a long process for the palace chef to, go to the market and prepare a meat since there is no meat in the palace currently. I suggest if I can call my neighbor at my shop. She prepares a very tasty meat. Bush meat at that, Your Majesty. I bet you will love it.
Who is the girl, if I may ask?
Her name is Amara, Your Majesty. Onowo's daughter. But then, Your Majesty, she prepares a very delicious bushmeat. You will like it.
Your Majesty, I know her, Amara. She prepare good, delicious, tasty meats. Which one, for that matter? Yes, I know her very well.
Go and call her. Tell her to come with us.
Yes, Your Majesty.
So that was a tricky play earlier.
You've seen it now, Eunice.
That was brilliant. I must confess. I love it.
How can you call that brilliant? Something that nearly made my heart skip.
But that was exactly what we needed. Very smart and effective.
Smart and effective that nearly broke my heart.
I admire the strong boldness. Honestly.
I don't know how you admire that, but I think I know why you're so happy about this.
You can say that again, Your Majesty.
Cheers.
I've already taken it.
By myself for you to be my wife, to take my woman home and have her all to myself forever.
Yes, really. Hey, so you have finally made up your mind to come and see my parents. Well, that's good. They said the man who ties the goat on time eats the fresh meat. Akwaya?
Wait, is that a proverb or is it a warning? Which of them?
Obim, whichever way that pleases my husband.
That serves it. Then what pleases me is to get married to you. And that's it. Give me your hands. Taking my bride home. Mom and Dad, I'm here to knock and because I just want to take my woman home.
And I'm happy.
And it's high time.
I'm gonna pick your call now.
Chibiki, I know what you're doing. But you think I don't know? You are planning so that your Amara becomes the king favorite. Then he helps you marry her. Oh, I see the game.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, as I see it now forever. Not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship,
Hello, Chibiki.
Hello, I'm Amara. Amara, I've been calling you, but you were not taking your calls. See, the king wants your bushmeat in the palace now. Can you just come?
You mean the king wants me to bring my bushmeat to the palace?
Please be fast about it, like be fast. Amara, here, Google, the next thing you start doing, just start coming start coming, eh?
God bless you, Chibiki. God bless me. The gods continue to favor you. Yes, I'm coming right away. I'll just pack up and come. Thank you. Customer, please, you need to finish your drink, Royal business club at the Go Palace. Don't worry, I will come back, yeah?
All right. You will come back?
Yes, in the evening.
Okay, no problem. Come back, oh.
Hey, this time trust me now. Meat was all ready for evening, no worry,
No problem. All right. I hope you will come in the evening.
I will come for you. I don't like for you.
This family is very sweet, yeah? Once you come, cook pepper soup.
I said meat was all ready for evening, no worry.
Now I'll still bring more customer.
Your Majesty, she's on her way.
That's all right. That's all right.
I overheard your conversation with Chibiki. Why are you so certain?
It's clear. He's building an alliance. Him, Amara, and the king. I know their game.
Something deeper is at play. And it is only the royal household that knows these mysteries.
If not this, then what?
I can't say for sure.
Then let me find out myself.
Mama, are you okay?
My daughter,
Mama,
I want to see my grandchildren running around this compound. Mefuna, he promised to come and take you, right?
Yes, Mama.
Good. I also wish the same for your brother. Amara is a good girl. That girl is a jewel. But any time I talk about her, he flares up. I don't get it.
Mama, Afamefune promised to come and see you and Papa. And as for my brother, I will talk to him, okay?
Okay. Mama,
is that why you're angry? Oh, name.
Yes,
Mama, very soon you see children running around this compound. Oh, don't worry.
Ezigbo nwa, Monalisa. Negodi kebe. Hey, nah, negodi. Mefuna should do fast and come and pick.
Sweet and wine, we enter the parade. Copy my when you drink this brown wine, you go get all your sorrow. Call up, wine, tata, and tell the boy that call up, wine, tata, and tell the boy that call up, wine, tata.
come back home. Oh no. You never told me that your daughter demands such a delicious food. Eating alone. Can't say that again. Give her a try.
It will convince you. Ada pun kamu buat apa?
Mamanya. Tahu apa sih ini?
Chibiki. When next you're coming. Yes. You call it.
Hey, Odulan.
My elders, there is still.
You really done well, Amara. Oh no.
Very, very
Yeah, I'm so happy. Is that not a Nollywood's daughter?
Like I was saying, the king likes me so much. Could you believe that sometimes the king will ask me to come to his room to be telling him stories, the happenings in the village, you know, asking me some certain questions like that, like in his inner chamber.
That's amazing, Chibiki. It means the king really holds you in high esteem.
So I'm telling you, I think I'm just favored by the king. Yes.
Good.
Oh. Take this. The king says you have it for your troubles. Not so fast. Have it. Poverty personified.
You see this chief guard there? I will break his head.
Ignore him.
I will just go for my eye.
Chibiki, the queen, she's staring at us. Respect yourself. Hey!
Yeah. What are you doing?
I'm counting it.
The queen is looking for comport yourself in the palace.
Yes. Yes, but Chibiki is like, this money is up to 100,000 naira. And the things I bought, the meat I bought is not even up to 30,000 naira.
See, don't worry, madam. See, this is the reward you gain from the palace. You understand? Palace is a place full of generosity and... What is that?
I'm keeping my money now.
You're keeping what?
Wait.
Let me count it for you now to ensure that...
What? Let's go. Are we not done with
You are not even sure if it is 100,000 yet. Let me just calculate it for
By
you.
the weight of it, I know. Let's go.
Can you comport it?
The queen.
To watch.
Yes, the queen.
She visits here often these days. She seems to be happy with him.
Yeah, I need to hurry up to the airport to pick up Monalisa.
Whenever you look at your clock, I know you're going to do something else. Your
My
watch is always
queen.
saying a lot. Let's go. No problem.
Yeah. Welcome back home, my angel.
Thank you so much, Mommy. Everywhere kind of looks different.
See, I told you. But you resisted not coming back home. Now you see.
Okay. You win.
I will always win you.
Yes, I am so glad to be home.
Yeah. That's good. That's aside. The prince will be home too. Very soon.
Honestly, Mom, I cannot wait to see the prince.
Maybe to relive of those old magical moments of childhood, just like the old days.
Yes. And
maybe also become the queen.
Now somebody is being interested in becoming the queen. Remember back then when I used to tell you that, just wave it as if you don't want to.
Of course, Mom, I want to be the queen.
Now you want to.
So tell me, how is that?
Your dad traveled to UK this morning. His usual political trip.
Oh my goodness, Dad and traveling.
That is it.
He doesn't get to stay one place.
At all. The man is really trying.
Oh my goodness, Mom, they brought down that building.
Yeah, the governor brought it down. I think they want to put a new structure. They said a plaza or something. I don't know.
Oh, well, the governor is doing a nice job.
Nice job.
Brother, it is time children start running around in this compound. Mama said it's time.
Chetachi, Mama said it is time. There is something you and the Mama seems not to understand. And do you know what that is? That there is a time of planting and it is not the same as time of harvesting. With time you will understand. Calm down.
But brother, why do you always speak in riddles? You are not old.
Chetachi. You see, that is because the truth is like a shadow. You may not understand it clearly. Don't worry, tomorrow I will explain to you. Now, food.
Brother, you like food though, but you will not buy what I asked you to buy.
Let me just take one before I go. I want to bring out the table. Hey.
Why must the river that flows through my compound taste sorrow? Why my daughter? The tongue of a man has killed more men than the sword. Words like spear flies and never return. But God sees all. Darkness can never hide the truth.
Oh, Your Majesty, my queen. You want to talk to Monalisa? Oh, she's in her room about going to bed. Okay, let's go on conference call then. Alright, hold on. My queen is connected. Hello, Monalisa.
Mom, who is it?
The queen wants to talk to you.
Oh, the queen. Greetings, Her Royal Majesty. I am very fine. I am fine, my queen. And you? Oh, thank you so much, Your Majesty. I bought you lots of goodies, trust me. Of course I did. And I will join my mom to the palace tomorrow. I will deliver them myself, personally.
Your Majesty, good night. See you tomorrow then.
Is it just me or did they just look sneaky? The chief guard and the chief maiden. Yes, now. Obviously, they are doing way more than guarding this palace. Yes, because from what I just saw now, I've been noticing some moves lately from them. I think we need to watch them more closely. I think we need to. Yes, Mom.
The king's heart is always at peace. Each time he sees us,
I saw your sister this morning, and she asked when we'll stop pretending.
You know, Chetachi never stops to mind her business. But sometimes she speaks the truth out of curiosity.
Then, maybe it's time we unwrap the truth for her to see. Don't you think?
Amara, you see, life itself has its way of revealing hearts. Yes, I want to love you loudly, but first of all, I have to break the silence around me.
Well, Chibiki, I'm not asking for noise, just clarity. Tell me, is there anything stopping you? Is there anything holding you back? At least let me carry a part of it.
Look at me. Look at me. Then.
Amara, see, when the tree bears fruits, even the wind comes to judge its weight. I'm still waiting for the right season.
All right, I'll wait with you. But do not let the season pass us.
So why are you now putting my cap on top of it?
Because I want you to wear it. It's sunny. I'm trying to help you.
You are helping me. You would have carried this bicycle.
Look at that girl. She's strong like her father, the Onu.
You know, love can be light or fire. It depends on who you touch. What?
Hey, let's go.
So, tell me, Obim, did you enjoy my story?
Yes, I do. Tell me more.
Okay, that should be after we've gone to the market and get meat for your mother. Okay, no problem. I'll tell you on the way we're going.
Promise.
I promise.
Okay.
That reminds me, Obim.
What?
Your brother always avoid my question about Amara. He always speaks in riddle, and that's frustrating.
In riddles?
Yes.
Maybe he has not realized his feelings yet.
Realize his feelings? Baby, no. I think there's something more than that. Yes. See, please, tell me. I would want you to talk to him. At least you're closer to him than your mother. Speak to him and find out what's the problem. Okay?
Okay, I will. If there is something between them, he will definitely tell me. He will not hide anything from me.
But, Obim, him, Amara, the way they talk, the way they move.
It's okay. I will find out. Okay?
Alright, it's fine. I think it's time we go.
Let's leave.
Okay.
Mother, no, Mama, Chetachi. Mother, no.
Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, good afternoon. Where is your mother?
She stepped out.
Stepped out.
Yes, sir.
When she comes back, tell her that Ono came calling. I have an important message for her. You should try and locate me so that I will give her the message.
Okay, sir, please, why not pass the message to me? So when she comes, I will tell her.
Pass the message to you as who? You want to be privy to what elders are discussing. Nonsense. Just give her my message.
Okay, sir. Oh, when you would have just passed the message to me. When my mother comes, I tell her.
Chibiki.
Hey, what the grandma do? Greetings to you, sir.
I was just coming from your house.
I hope all is well.
Is this how you want your son, Chibiki, to remain a bachelor all his life?
Hey.
When somebody like my daughter is there waiting for him?
Oh, no, I've spoken to my son. But he keeps dragging his feet. I've told him Amara is a good match.
Exactly the reason I needed to see you.
Oh, have you spoken to her?
I have. She kept dragging her feet. You know how women behave. Never mind. It shouldn't bother you. Just tell your son to come to me with palm wine. That's all. Yes, I will physically hand my daughter over to him, whether she likes it or not.
Hi. Oh no. Are you selling off your daughter?
What do you want me to do? When they don't want to do the needful, we help them to do it.
No,
we help them to do it.
Exactly. Well, don't worry, no. I will talk to my son.
Go and talk to him.
Don't worry.
Talk to my daughter.
Oh, don't worry, no. I will talk to him, sir.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. My palm wine, gladys the heart of the people. Your bushy beauty gives them taste of sweetness. My palm wine, gladys the heart of the people. Your bushy beauty gives them taste of sweetness. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. The king's heart is always at peace. Each time he sees us. Makani bobi utoya, anina soya body. Our friendship, all the chubunaka, onimo. This friendship, not forever, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. It's our friendship, not forever.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Greetings, Her Royal Majesty.
Look at her. You've grown up to be such a beautiful woman.
Thank you, and you look so radiant.
Oh, please, don't start with me. You're welcome to my palace. Let's go inside. All right.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Greetings.
All these peps and cherries for me.
Yes, Your Majesty. Anything for you.
And they look so expensive.
Sure, Your Majesty. You deserve the best from your daughter. She had a good test.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my queen.
And what about the king?
Oh, sure, we have his.
Greetings, Your Royal Majesty.
Greetings.
Your Majesty.
Greetings. Monalisa.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You have grown. Yes, I remember years back when you, the princess, and Prince Ikena ran around the palace. 15 years now.
Yes, so nostalgic. I hope you remember still.
Yeah, it is a thing of joy to see you again. You're welcome. You're welcome. I will be on my way. I have a meeting with my honorable in my chamber. I wish you less by yourself.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Don't worry, your gift. We'll see your gift soon.
That's great. Thank you very much.
Is dinner ready? I'll have to go and find out from the royal chef, Your Majesty.
Please find and let them serve it, okay?
Oh no, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
There is no problem at all.
Good.
Have you heard from the prince?
Yes, I just made a call in the past minutes ago, and he has given me his words that he'll be back in 2 days' time. So let the celebration start.
That's a good news.
You seem not to be excited.
No, I am. Honestly, I am.
Great. Guard.
Your Majesty.
Go and inform the chief guard to summon all the elders. And they should also inform Chibiki to come with a fresh jug of fish palm wine. And then you should also come with Amara and the chief maiden to assist her. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. Oh no, we can see everything is in order.
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reign superior. The girls are always wise. They make the right choice for the people.
I just saw the chief's maid and the chief's guard driving out of the palace together. They think nobody knows. They were sneaking, maybe to a private spot. Why do you have to jump into conclusion? Did they not live with the king's car? Maybe the king sent them on an errand. Errand. The way I saw her smiling entering that car. But, Monalisa, she's beautiful though. No wonder the queen wants her for the prince. Of course now. With her skin and figure, if I'm a prince, I will marry her too. Abby. What do you think? I'll see you later.
My daughter.
Mama.
Your brother. This marriage issue. Why is it taking so long?
Mama, I don't know why you're getting worked up, honestly. I told you that my brother will soon get married. Likewise me. I believe he's taking time to build his future.
The word they know who said this morning worries me a lot. He hinted it directly. He said that the palace has plans for him. I don't understand. What if he doesn't want what we want for him? Eh?
Mama, Onu said what?
He said it with style, but I understood him. I hope your brother is not running into something serious blindly. Hmm? I don't understand. I have to speak to your brother.
Mama, Makachi, I'm confused right now. Adigo the Mezibo confused. I don't even know what to believe anymore.
I have to speak to Chibiki.
I have to speak to your brother. I'm confused, honestly. I don't know.
You know what, I have been wondering, why does the king love Chibiki so much? No matter what the situation on ground is, he will always want him near him.
Have you forgotten it's because of Chibiki that the king is still alive? That man almost died on that sick bed until Chibiki's intervention.
However, is that all? I mean, his affection for Chibiki is more than gratitude. Sometimes I wonder, could Chibiki be his son, born out from some hidden affairs?
I've told you, some things are better left unsaid. The gods have their ways.
Wait, what do you know? Is Chibiki the king's son, or was he born by the king through some secret affairs?
Please, I've told you, I can't say anything for now.
There is something you are not telling me.
I hold no secrets. Remember that there is not every truth that must come to light.
You came with a word from the outer council. You're welcome, my elders. The king awaits you.
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reigns period.
So it's true. It's getting clearer now. Chibiki is the king's son. He hides it from the queen.
Let's go now. Why are you
Every time Chibiki is around him, there's this love that you can't fake. Whoa! Indeed, it's getting clearer.
Ignore him. Let's go. Ignore him. Let's go.
We heard that the prince is returning in 2 days. Hey!
Igwe, indeed, this is great news. At least the palace will come alive again.
In good authority, in 3 days as you claim, it's good to be around. And this arrival will mark a new beginning in this kingdom.
Your Highness, this is indeed a great news. At least, can you do na obodanya? And let there be peace.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You'll be my joy forever. This friendship.
We heard that the prince is returning in 2 days. Hey!
Igwe, indeed, this is great news. At least the palace will come alive again.
In good authority, in 3 days as you claim, it's good to be around. And this arrival will mark a new beginning in this kingdom.
Your Highness, This is indeed a great news. At least, can we do na obodanya? And let there be peace.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You'll be my joy forever. Child, my palm wine, gladys the heart of the people. Your bushy meat gives them taste of sweetness. My palm wine, gladys the heart of the people. Your bushy meat gives them taste of sweetness. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my
Hello. I want Chibiki and
We should, they are already enjoying the Dikeh. We should allow them to express themselves. Allow them to run around, holding hands, and until they wait.
They are part of this.
Just if you allow them, they are. This is their time, not when they are scolders.
Your Highness. Yes, Your Majesty, you know. The two children will make a good match when they wed. And I, Lady Eunice, will bless their union. Oh, my elders, I'll be leaving you people. See you later. Your Majesty. Thank you, sir. My friend.
Yes. Isn't that Chibiki?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Hi. I learned you're now engaged. Congratulations. He's blushing. Oh my God. Amara, you're going to make a very beautiful bride. And I trust your makeup is going to be on point. Yeah. True, Mom?
Absolutely, my darling. I will take care of your wedding.
Whoa. Wow. He's still blushing. Thank you from somewhere.
Thank you, Your Highness.
He can't speak. Say thank you.
He's smiling.
Your Majesty. We'll see you tomorrow.
And you here blushing for you. Go. Respect yourself. I will not do.
can I say something? I want you two to hold tight to this relationship because it's amazing. It glows.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Amara.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Highness. How are you?
I'm fine. Was the food not to your liking, Your Majesty?
It was exceedingly perfect. That goes to show that you make a good queen someday. I would like to see you outside and have a brief chat with you.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Where is the king?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings. Where is the king?
He stepped out with Amara.
Why?
I don't know. They stepped out for a walk.
A walk?
My king, I beg to take my leave now.
Amara, what is your take about what I told you?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I mean no disrespect. But I must leave now.
It is fine. Think about it.
Chibiki, please, just take me out of this place, please.
Amara, what is it?
Is everything alright? And why is she crying?
Let's just leave here, please. Please, come with me, let's go.
My Your Highness, I looked for you earlier on. They told me you went out with Amara.
Yes, I was.
What are you two talking about?
I want her to marry him.
The gods are indeed wise.
I think something is wrong. Oh. I just saw Mara crying, running out of the palace.
What happened?
I don't know why she was crying, but I saw her running out of the palace to meet Chibiki, and she rushed off with him.
Who knows what might have happened for her to run off crying like that? I think we need to find out what happened.
Yes, we have to. We shouldn't allow such things slip off our eyes and ears.
But the question now is, how can we find out?
Amara, what happened? You left. You did not even wait for us to collect our money. Eh?
Listen, Chibiki, I don't want anything to do with you or with the king. Just leave me the hell alone.
The thing is that I should leave you the hell alone. What are you doing, Amara?
What is it?
Why are you trying to stop a keke when you know that I have bike? I can actually use my bike to drop you wherever you want to go.
Chibiki, you lied to me. You knew all along, yet you lied to me. You know what? Enough. Leave me the hell alone. Yeah, all this keke people.
Amara. Amara, come now. Amara, you can't just leave like
I know she will say yes. Because he's the perfect man for her. Igwe. Egbe. Egbe. Igwe. Egbe. Igwe. The best. Egbe. That's great.
The man they couldn't arrest. My good friend, Chibiki. Nah. Chibike, how far now?
this one, you are calling me from afar and looking so excited.
Are you not my friend again? I decided to say hello to my friend. It's been a while now. It's been long I saw you. And this is your palm wine tapping thing. Yes, now.
So why didn't you come to my house?
If you get to the house, ask Mama. She will tell you. I'm just coming back from your house. Yes.
And they want to see me?
Yes.
Well, let's go house now.
No. It's very important. I want to tell you something. And it's between you and Amara. See, your mother is not comfortable between you and Amara's relationship. And it's high time when you define what you and Amara has. You understand? The earlier, the better.
Afamefuna.
Yes.
I can't just believe this. So you stopped me this early morning to discuss about Amara. What's Hanafoy? No, tell me. Since when has it become your business and your problem? Are you my mother? What concerns you? Otherwise, I don't know why you will stop me this beautiful morning to feed my goats that is important than you and stop me on this road. So start telling me, your mother, Amara, are you my mother? That's why you want to see me. Dig for nothing. And let me go and feed my goats because obviously my goats are important than you. I can see that you have nothing to tell me. Call me here and make it. This is my mother. Are you my mother? Even my mother.
Chibiki! Moi! Your goats are important than me. Chibiki! Is Amara we are talking about, oh? The bushmeat seller, Amara. Goat important than me. Okay now. No. It's me that stopped you. Me, your friend, that stopped you. No problem. Next time now, be short. Let me go and see my chetati self.
What is it, brother?
Abba.
Why are you crying? Talk to me. What is the problem? Talk to me.
Papa. So you knew he wanted me to marry him?
Yes. You have to accept him. He is a good man. Yes.
I'm disappointed, Father.
Anyway, I'm happy for you, my daughter. The river does not reject a gift from the rain. You will soon understand.
Be careful, there's so much depth in this thing.
The goosey is even hard.
I don't know. What is really wrong with your brother? Eh?
Mommy, I don't know. I don't know what is wrong with that one.
You know you're the closest person to him. And he confides in you. Why don't you talk to him, eh?
Oh, yes, Mama. I will talk to. I have been talking to him, sir. This is not the first time, Mama. You know how he behaves. Mama, Dikeh, all you will tell me now.
Because Baba will tell him no Dikeh.
Mama is spinning my hand, so just to touch it water, so it will be easy. But are you back? Why are you angry now?
No, tell me, why won't I be angry? Eh? No, Chitachi, tell me, why won't I be angry? When that Amuta 1 minus 1 after me will just stop me on the road and be poke-nosing into affair that doesn't concern him. But who gave him the right to be poke-nosing in our family's matter?
Brother, we were just worried about you and Amara, and he took permission from me before discussing it with you.
Oh. Queen Elizabeth II. Okay. So it's now a family conniving. That is you, Mama, with that useless son of what I cannot tell, connive to be advising me.
Brother, I'm sorry.
Boy, you shut up. Brother, you are sorry. My friend, take this thing and give it to the goat. Go. Go and give the goat to. Family conniving.
Is this truly what he wants? Or just the king's will? Should I be happy or heartbroken?
The gods have answered my prayer. Very soon, very soon, my daughter will be married to the man of her choice, Chibiki. Oh, I can't wait.
Brother, you should have told her earlier.
The king made me promise him to wait.
Still, you didn't tell her the truth.
I was afraid. Yes, I was afraid. She's my best friend. I don't know how to tell her.
Oh, brother, please, let's go inside, oh. Brother, let's go inside. Brother, let's go. It's late. I want to sit here all alone and be thinking. Let's go. Yeah, I'm feeling free. Where are you heading to this early morning?
Chetachi, I want to go to Amara's house. I want to go and ask her for forgiveness.
Well, there's no problem. Oh, go in peace.
Do it. And make sure you cook, eh? Amara. I want to have a body, please. Amara, wait, Amara.
Chibiki, Ogonwoke. Ogonwoke.
Greetings, Papa.
My daughter has told me everything the king said.
Papa, I am sorry. I needed to speak with her, but she couldn't let me. So, I beg to take my leave, sir.
So what?
My daughter. What did your brother say is troubling him?
Mama, it's nothing serious. It's just a little quarrel between him and Onu's daughter.
Quarrel? What is the matter between two of them?
Mama, it's nothing serious, like I said. They will settle their differences.
Okay.
Yes.
Nne, tell your brother to marry Amara. That is the best solution.
Yes, Mama. But Mama, you know, they said when the tortoise moves slowly, it is not because he is tired, but because the way is long. Yes, Mama.
When did you start speaking in parables like your brother?
Mama, it's in the blood. It flows.
Hey! Because give me this.
Mama, you know what? I'll be back. Let me step out for a while.
Okay, my dear. Don't be long.
Okay, Mama, I'm coming.
Okay, Mama. The parable speaker. You will not kill me. Hey!
Amara, are you not going to shop today?
No, Papa. I don't want to run into Chibiki today.
You see, you can't keep avoiding him because you cannot avoid him. Very soon there will be need for this enmity.
Papa, please, I don't want to talk to anyone today. At least not now, please.
My daughter is just shy. Very soon they will be husband and wife.
Sincerely, brother, I am sorry if I bothered you earlier.
Chetachi, my sister.
Brother.
It's okay. I mean, it's nothing. I only wish you could forgive me, so everything will be alright.
Brother, I hope and I know she will forgive you quickly. So this sadness will run away and leave you.
Chitachi, this is a thing of emotion. It's not as easy as you think.
Brother, don't worry. Don't worry. At the right time, it will all make sense. Okay? Please, just cheer up.
My queen.
Yes.
I bought all this in preparation of the coming home of the prince and the princess.
Exactly.
Really?
Yes.
I made the best choice for myself.
You can say that again.
So much, my queen.
Thank you.
I want you to give me the permission to handle the kitchen. I want to make the continental dishes myself. I want my prince to
Don't
be
even
happy.
bother yourself. Very soon you have leverage over that royal kitchen. Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my
You're
queen.
welcome. I call them up.
Wait, hello, come.
Your Majesty, you can see how amazing my daughter's heart is.
Are you blind? How dare you step on my Dolce and Gabbana shoes? Are you mad? Is that how they behave in this palace?
Calm down.
It's okay. Forgive her.
This woman. Well, can you imagine? It's okay. Look at the way she looks. And make sure you do not break anything there.
Oke nwa ọmụmụ isi akụ igwe kwedasị ike mmọnwụ be m odogwu mmọnwụ na-ekwere ga-egbu dike iso wee biri ọkwa ozu ebu n'elu utu ya na-ekeli ọkwa nga nyụrụ mamịrị na ọmụmụ isi akụ ọkwa aja na oposi igwe na-ịdị anyị mma sikọrọ n'ojisi onye nwụrụ anwụ maka omebe akwa ndị dị ndụ ọwụrụ ya owu.
I am so excited these days.
I won't believe it.
Very soon, my daughter will be married in a royal way. Do you know that it is the king himself that asked my daughter's hand in marriage? Yes, to marry her to Chibiki.
That is a wonderful news. No, Chibiki is a fine boy and very special.
Oh, yes.
You are truly blessed.
Finally, the gods have decided to smile on my family. Yes.
Royal wedding. Our village must hear about it.
The type of marriage that will take place in my compound is talk of the town. I will invite all my friends. Yes, they will come and drink. They have stew, they have rice.
The prince will never marry a heartless and wicked woman like Monalisa.
Calm down, okay? You need to calm down. But as for this marriage, it has already been ordained and there's nothing we can do about it. Even the gods have signed it. So you need to calm down and stop crying, okay?
Why is it that rich people, they are so wicked, so proud? Why?
Listen, do not waste your tears on her. You just have to be strong. And we have to get ready for her excesses once she becomes the princess of this kingdom and the prince's wife. You need to stop crying, okay?
Clean your tears.
It's fine, okay?
Stop crying.
TBK. Bros.
Huh?
Hey, your beautiful Amara. She will come today.
Oh, Amara.
Amara.
She will come. She will come. Yeah.
You sure? Is everything okay? This one you're looking so moody and cloudy like a long cloud.
Everything is okay.
Chibiki, wait on. I won't buy bushmeat. Where am I ready?
She's not yet back, yeah? You go and come back later.
Not yet back by this time. Is that why your face is like this?
Obiageria, he said that she is not yet back. What is your problem? Eh? Every time you come here, you carry your frustration. What is even wrong with you? She's not yet back. You did not say Amara. Am I Amara? Am I Amara?
You know they worry. Or let's say 2 of them worry. This one wait.
How they get up here?
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands.
Greetings, Amara. Can we talk? Greetings, Chita. Go ahead. What has my brother done to you that you don't want him to explain? Please, forgive him and don't punish his heart. Tomorrow, go to the shop and see him.
Sweet and wine enter the brain. When you drink his palm wine, you go forget all your sorrow.
Chibiki. Chibiki. What are you saying now? About what I've told you. Eh? You have to get married. Chibiki. What is keeping you? Eh? Amara is a good girl. Why are you laughing, Kwano?
Mama. Mama, nobody said Amara is not a good girl. I never said so.
So what is it?
See, Mama, calm down. Eh? Mama, there is a way I want my wedding to be. Eh? I want to make so much money. So that by the time I now finally propose to Amara, Mama, everyone will be shut down. Mama, even Igbo Obodo go drink that day, drink. In Bele go full. Hey, you go no say na Chibai won't marry.
Get married. Look at me. Look at what I'm doing. Look at me. Eh? I need grandchildren running around this place. Chibiki.
Mama, you know, when you're talking about this marriage, it will be as if I don't want to marry. I understand you, Mama. See, let me tell you, Amara is a good girl. Eh? And she will make a very good wife and mother. Mama, wait, I am not done yet. See, Amara will fill here with grandchildren. In fact, they go suck her breast to the point that her breast cannot feed them again. They will even come and start sucking.
Let them suck.
Mama, they will not for you, Yakata.
My breast is still standing. Let them come and suck. Give me grandchildren.
Mama, don't worry.
Chibiki.
Mama, you too don't worry. Just calm down. I've told you. I will get married. I will consider that later. But now, Mama, you have go. Mama, let me tell you. Do you know that this one I'm about to go
the
and
money
supply?
you are making now, without giving me children, who will come and eat those money?
Mama, don't worry. I will think about it. Mama, you see, I will be hustling, bringing money. You will be seeing money to cook all this so delicious, so favorite. Mama, don't worry, that's my belly. My belly.
You see where my back is aching me to carry children.
Mama, don't worry, Mama, don't worry. Don't worry. When I return, we come to Mama.
For your Majesty.
You're still awake?
Yes. I'm so excited. I honestly cannot wait to see the prince tomorrow.
Thank you. You made a decision of staying behind. But you also need rest. For sure you'll see the prince tomorrow.
Thank you, Your Highness.
So you have to sleep.
I will.
Grab rest, okay?
Okay.
I'm in my room. In case
Okay.
you need me.
Good night.
Thank you.
Brother, don't worry. I already explained everything to Amara.
You did?
Yes, I did.
What did she say?
She said she's going to see you tomorrow.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Chidachi,
Brother.
thank you so much. Thank you very I appreciate you.
Brother, anything for you. You know I can do anything for you.
Oh, I will say this is bribery and corruption.
Brother, why are you talking like that? Look, you're my best brother and I want to see you happy again. So tomorrow you people will link up. Yes, brother. But I just want to see you happy, smile again and all of that.
Hello, son. How are you? There is someone waiting eagerly to see you. It will be too early to let the cat out of the cage until you come. Same here. I can't wait to see you too. That's my son. Thank you. Bye. Alright. Wow. Wonderful. That's great. That's great.
You just missed her by the whiskers. She has left for the township.
Papa, let me then go, since she has left.
I am rushing to the palace. You know the prince arrives today.
The prince arrives today?
Yes. Let's meet there. The king will even invite you.
What are you doing? The plates are ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure they are neat. I do not want my prince complaining, okay? And what about the tomatoes?
Ma, they're ready.
They're ready. And the peppered soup?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we have to make the fried rice. Where are the spices?
They're here, ma'am.
Okay, let's go. Be fast, be fast.
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land.
What are you doing?
You, pack that stuff and put it inside that trash can. You doing something. Look at everywhere is just unkempt. What's wrong with you? You, go and pick that. You leave that thing. Go and pick that. Go and pack everything there. Pack it.
Are you not done yet?
I'm almost done, Your Majesty.
Make sure there's no dust anywhere here.
I've cleaned everything.
And you should try and tidy this place up, then get to the princess room and get it tidied.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Let me not wait for you there.
Okay, Your Majesty.
You wasted so much time here.
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reigns period. The girls are always wise. They make the right choice for the people.
That the guests should be ready for the visitor. You're wasting time. Be fast.
Chief Guard.
Yes, my queen.
I want you to call the Igba people, the musicians. Call them here. They have to be here by now. I want everywhere set before my son and my daughter gets here. Okay? Everywhere should be clean. Go and make the call immediately.
Yes, my queen.
Ah, hello. Eh? Oh, you are early.
And you girls should make sure this garden is clean. Pick up every paper and get the plates ready, well set.
Because I don't want to miss out.
Get to the kitchen and make sure it is. Checking for the spices out. Fast, tell it. Yes, ma'am.
You go wait.
Oh no.
Eh?
They're getting everywhere.
Yes. I can't miss out any of the activities.
My head, that's your
Greetings, our queen. I can see everybody is bubbling. I'm telling you.
I can't wait to see my son and my daughter.
Oh no. Oh no. Well, I don't want to miss out. Let's go to His Majesty.
Let us go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I should make it out.
Welcome, my elder.
My elders, you can see we have enough to drink and eat. Today marks the beginning of open doors. When my sons returns, they have going to have a bountiful blessing in this kingdom. That is hope.
Igwe, from the look of things, it appears the gods are finally smiled on us. Yes. It's a beginning of new things to happen. This land must flourish.
Hey! Oh, no. Indeed, Your Highness. We have waited too long for this glorious day.
Wonderful. Guards.
Your Highness.
Go and tell Chibiki and Amara to load us with more bushmates.
That's good. When I'm complaining that my stomach is paining me, it's paining me.
Oh no. Igwe, it has been a very long time since I last tasted bushmeat like this.
You can say that again.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, I hold your hands. You'll be my joy forever. Child. My palm wine gladys the hearts of the people. Your bushy meat gives them taste of sweetness. My palm wine gladys the hearts of the people. Your bushy meat gives them taste of sweetness. This friendship, not forever, not forever.
You both, the king summons you to the palace. Now, bring plenty of palm wine and bushmeat. It's very urgent. You are both needed for the royal ceremony.
He has stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people with its special wine. He has stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people with its special wine. Its special wine. He has stolen the heart of the king, and the
Wait, let me
heart
come.
of the people with its special wine. You are blessed by the gods with this you have found favor in the eyes of the king.
Honestly, my queen, I can't wait to be old.
My queen, Mom, I'll be right back.
See, you all have to hurry up. You need to get everything done before the king arrives. Your daughter have taken over the palace. The way she gives instructions, wow, it's quite intelligent.
I can see that, my dear.
She's beautiful, intelligent, elegant. And she has it all.
You can't say that again. You know, my angel, she's born to be royal.
I can see it. And she will soon become one.
I pray so.
I'm so happy for her.
Be in-laws very soon.
You trained her well.
Well, and she learned very well.
I you did a great job. I'll give you that.
Thank you.
Your Majesty, the prince has arrived.
My son is here?
Yes,
You can say that
Wow.
again. Yes, let's
Wonderful.
My son is here.
Woo!
In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reigns superior. The girls are always wise. They make the right choice for the people. In every corner of this palace is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reigns superior. The girls are always wise. They make the right choice for the people.
last time I had this meal was when Governor visited our town. Don't blame me.
Can I get everybody's audience? So, Father, you actually pranked me just to bring me down here.
My prince, you need to see how your father acted this thing. He faked everything, oh. He rehearsed it for days. And to the extent that he collapsed. All of us rushed. Your father is a wonderful actor.
Mother, is this true? Your father nearly gave me a heart attack. I didn't even know that he was faking it.
That was too much. And very expensive too.
My princess, you know I'm proud of both of you. If not for that young man, Chibiki, I don't think I would have been here with you. His palm wine and the stories he do tell me at times is the reason why I'm here.
Mother, who is this young man Father speaks highly of?
Chibiki is one of the best palm wine tappers in town. But what I don't know is what that palm wine has to do with your father, that he claims heals him whenever he's sick.
So why is he not here with us, dining and enjoying with us? Where is he? I would like to meet him.
We didn't invite him for this. Maybe when he comes around the palace, I will introduce him to you.
Chief Guard.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go and fetch Chibiki. Tell him to come immediately. It's all right.
It was when Governor visited our town.
Let's not confirm.
This tastes so good. This is so fresh.
Can say that again.
Sis, you should have a taste of this, please. Try
Really?
it. Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have to. There's nothing special about that palm wine. It will just be as low as his life is. I don't think he should. We have red wine and, you know.
Taste a trial will convince you.
It actually tastes so good. Like I've not tasted anything this nice in a long while. Really?
Who is this?
Mota woke. Mota wine. I have a Noria. Napo. Nankwo. Nanke. Yeah, when you are cracked, a woman can come. Can't cook or
Vamos ver quando?
Táwọn ụbọchị gọkwanye mere eme ọnwa aja mụ na mbọ gị na-ekwe Chukwu eke.
So, what is your name?
My name is Chibiki, my princess.
Please, promise me you will always bring this wine to the palace.
Yes, I will. I will, my princess. I like it a lot.
I love it.
Chibiki, my prince.
Since my sister likes the taste of your palm wine, and I want you to do something for me, can you please always bring this fresh palm wine for my dear sister here in her chambers? Just you alone, without the maids, without the guards.
Yes,
just
my
you.
Prince. Yes, my prince. That's good of you. Now, Chibiki,
my king,
whatever instructions has given to you, do not hesitate to carry them out. He is the crown prince of this kingdom.
I object to your majesty. You see, Chibiki is a homeboy. He enjoys the comfort of his house. Very, very comfortable. So, and besides, he is not equal to you.
Oh no.
It tastes so good. Just like mom's.
Really?
No.
Did you make it?
Oh no, whose daughter did?
It's my daughter. In fact, she had the inspiration from Angel that showed her what the KFC people in USA, what they used to spice their meat.
Can you call her for me?
Okay, yo, my princess.
Wow, you like it? It tastes good. I love it.
I know you like it. Ah, my daughter. Oh, my daughter.
You say you should taste it, right?
Are you scared? Your father is here. Your father is here. You have nothing to be afraid of. Can I get a glass?
Please come this way.
Oh, my daughter. It's time for us to leave now.
Dad, but I want to play more.
You will see more of her when I become the king.
What's your name? My name is Olwedo. Bye.
Take care. Amara.
I remember you. Dad, she looks so familiar.
Seems you've forgotten her face. Both of you used to play those days when you were around.
Amara.
Yes, Amara.
My God. I cannot believe this. Amara, this is you? Oh, I've missed you so much.
Thank you, my princess. Thank you.
No. I cannot believe this. My God. Oh. It's good to see you. Good to see you too.
to see you again. I cannot take this anymore. Excuse me.
Amara! Amara, what's wrong with you, Amara? Amara! Amara! Amara, open the door! Amara!
What was that nonsense all about? What was that embarrassment all about? What are you trying to do?
The children are friends, so I see no reason to this issue here.
I saw it all. The talking, the smiling, the looking, and everything. I saw it.
I need to be alone now. Please, can you excuse me? I want to be left alone.
Can you believe it? The prince will never marry Monalisa. She will keep crying. Hey, God.
I heard Onowu's daughter is the perfect match for him. They will look great together. I can't wait to see them marry. Hey.
So, tell me, what is it that you know that I don't? The way you're smiling, I can't comprehend it.
It's nothing. Just that... Don't worry. It's nothing.
Sweet and wine enter the brain. Up a cup in Maya. When you drink his palm wine, you can forget all your sorrow. Kola, palm wine tapa, mananga, bubona talachi. 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 He have stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people with its special and wine. He has stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people.
Oh, wow. Your Highness, this is right, sir.
Oh, wow. This is where you walk to?
Yes, my princess. This is my bar. You mean this is where you sell your bushmeat?
Yes.
You can come in. You can come in.
Sure. By the gods, with this you have found favor in the eyes of the king. Oburamadu Ameria, Okwachi Ameria. Ine Tempu Karaka, Angolamambo, 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 Wagamaka, Angolamambo, Tempu Karaka, Angolamambo, Tempu Karaka, Angolamambo, 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 Bogina Hobori, Angolamambo, Bogina Meadow, Angolamambo, Angolamambo. Because of your power, I can forget all my sorrow.
How will I see you again?
Soon.
Are you sure?
Bye.
He has stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people with its special and wine. With its special and wine, he has stolen the heart of the king, and the heart of the people with its special and wine.
Mama.
Chibiki.
Memo.
Mama. You're welcome.
Yes, Mama. Mama.
Hey. Oh, Your Highness, you're both welcome, my dear. We are honored. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, my highness. Hey. My princess.
It's our pleasure. And you look so beautiful.
Thank you, my princess.
What is your name?
Chetachi.
And you also have a beautiful name.
Thank you, my princess.
Thank you, my highness.
Thank you so much, Your Highness. I am so grateful. I appreciate you. I am so honored. Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's okay. Can I have a word with you? Aside.
Hello, Father.
We just dropped them off right now. Yes. Amara is doing good. Okay, Father, we are coming.
This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy forever. This friendship, not forever, not forever. This our friendship, not forever. Hold my hands, you'll be my joy.
Indeed, God works in a mysterious way. I didn't know that when he created Solomon and gave him wisdom, he reserved some for our Igwe.
Oh no, Madam. Indeed, the God themselves have a plan.
The gods are wise.
The gods are wise. Yes, they are wise.
The gods are wise.
What is happening? What is going on? See, Your Majesty, what if he hits me? What if he prefers her to me?
It's not possible. Calm down. My son is yours. So don't bother yourself. Everything will be fine.
It doesn't look like it. Where did he go with her? Why did he have to live with her? Why? Mommy, say something. I cannot do this.
My angel, we really have to. We need to move now.
Mom, we need to go.
We'll return back tomorrow.
He's here. My prince, come, what's going on? Come. We need to. Wait. Did he just walk out on me? What just happened? Mom, did he walk out on me?
Just calm down. Calm down, my son is not in a good mood. I'll talk to him.
No, that's not true. That's not what happened. I cannot do this anymore. I need to go. Oh my goodness.
It's better you tell me. My daughter is not in her good mood now. Please, just talk to yourself to behave.
Why are you smiling?
That's you see.
Don't worry, I'll tell you when we get to the house.
You have to wait till we get to the house for you to.
Yes.
Alright.
So tell me, do you really like Amara?
Sis, what makes you say that?
I saw it in my vision. The day we drank palm wine.
My sister division, yeah. So what about you? Do you like Chibiki? Because I see the way you play around him.
I can't really say, honestly. Stop changing the topic. I'm asking you again. What do you think about Amara? Because I see the way you look at her.
Amara. I'm very comfortable around her. Yeah, I feel I'm attracted to her.
That is love. That is love. Really? Who is that?
It's me, the chief guard.
Come in.
My prince, my princess.
The king wants to see you. Tell him we are coming.
Tell him we will soon join him.
Okay.
We don't know what we want this time.
But it's okay. Let's go. Sure.
Wait. Don't you think you should take that off? We're going to see that.
Oh, my princess, my prince. Are we all in conformity?
Yes.
Tell me, what is going on between you and Tonto?
Nothing is going on between I and Onowo's daughter, Your Highness. We are just childhood friends.
There's nothing intimate between both of you?
No, Your Highness. Such a thing never existed between us.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yes, Your Highness. That is my truth.
Son, Monalisa is here to see you.
Not again. Mom, there's nothing to discuss with Monalisa. I keep telling you this.
I grew that girl for you. So you must settle with her.
Mom, I can't settle with who my heart does not want. I don't love her. It can't work between me and her.
I don't care what you think your heart belongs to. I groomed that girl for you. And you can't stand here and tell me that your heart does not belong to her. Bring your heart back and go back to this girl.
Mom, does my opinion not matter anymore in this
It
relationship?
does not matter in this situation. You must marry that girl. She's beautiful, elegant. What else do you want?
Fine.
Go and talk to her.
Fine, I'll talk to her.
That's my son. Go. Beautiful. Let's go. That's my son. My handsome son.
Yes.
Meet Monalisa, your childhood friend.
Hi, Monalisa.
Hi, Prince.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
You look all grown up now, Monalisa.
Thank you.
Son, could it be possible you take her out for you to have a little stroll?
That's fine. Be my guest.
My prince, please. You can't possibly say that. Have you forgotten how we used to travel? Jim, do everything together, how we used to shop. Please, I love you. I love you so much. You cannot say that to
Listen
me.
to me. Monalisa, all this happened in the past. A whole lot has changed right now. My heart belongs to someone else, and the person is not you. I can't marry you, Monalisa. Please, understand me, please.
What did you just say? Your heart belongs to someone else?
Yes, Monalisa.
Honey, please, look, we can work something out. I understand it's the distance, the timing. Please, you will get to start loving me again. Don't do this to me.
You're going to change, Monalisa.
You're going to shatter my whole heart. I cannot
Monalisa,
deal
I
with
can't
this.
love you anymore. My heart rests with someone else. Please.
Don't do this to me. I love
please
you.
understand. Please, Monalisa.
I love you.
Excuse me.
You can't do this. I love you.
Son, you must marry Monalisa. I don't care what you think. You can't tell me that after this girl waited all these years for you and you're just trying to tell me? Tell me what? You must marry this girl.
Mother, I see no reason why you keep feeding Monalisa with lies, giving her false hope that we're going to become a couple. You know fully well I don't love this girl. My heart rests with someone else. You know all this.
I don't care who your heart rests with. You must love that girl.
Enough.
And you must marry her.
Enough! Allow him to make his choice. No one imposes a decision on a crown prince of Umumuzi.
Mother, is this why you asked me to return back?
You must marry that girl. Did you hear me? You must marry that girl! You're my son, for Christ's sake. Your Highness.
I'm sorry I ignored you for so long. But Chibiki, what did the king tell you about me?
Your Highness, may I ask why you want to know?
Chibiki, my son. I want Tamara for the prince.
Your Highness, this is great. I am so happy for her. I am really so happy for her. This is wonderful.
Now listen. I want this discussion to be between both of us. No third party should hear about it. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty. I promise to keep it a secret.
No wonder you hid it from me all along. I'm sorry I misunderstood you.
Amara, do you like the prince?
Oh no.
Igwe, the only thing left now is what the eyes of the gods said. They instructed that a messenger awaits us when the prince returns.
Let all the king's men gather and summon the chief priest to come immediately.
Oh no. So you knew what the king wanted all along and you never said anything?
But I told you. What I had was too heavy for my mouth to utter.
I know. I know what you heard. I don't like the connection between my son and your daughter. Oh no.
Wait.
What is your connection with that boy called Chibiki?
Nothing yet. I really do not know, but he seems like a nice person.
I don't care what you think or what he seems like, but I want you to disconnect and cancel anything that you have to do with that boy. That boy is a palm wine tapper. You're subject, for Christ's sake.
I don't get you. You know what, Mom? I really do not have anything to say. But if my heart wants him, don't you think that his status shouldn't matter?
Your heart will never want him.
Chetachi,
Yes, brother.
I have finally told Amara the truth.
Brother?
She apologized.
Really? So, what next?
Well, I am happy for her. She is good. She deserves the best.
Of course, brother. You did. My phone.
Mama.
When will you bring your wife home to me? Hmm? Eh? Yeah.
Very soon. Very soon, Mama. Very soon you will have your grandchildren as you have always desired. Very soon you will see them running around this compound and playing with you. Mana haya angubu ginara, Mama. Haya angubu ginara.
Hanguba, eh?
Haya angu.
No, give me ala no.
Ada go pa.
Go this year. Hanguba no, biko.
Mama. Mama.
Prince of our great lands, your mission of returning home is for you to get married. Same thing happened to your father when your grandfather was sick. He had to get married. Only then did his health improve. Ask your father, the king of our great land. He will confirm it. You can't cheat the gods.
It is true, my son. That is something I never told you. When I was young, studying abroad, my father, your grandfather, was sick. And I was called back home to get married. The moment I came back, I got married. He was healed. Yes, he was healed of his affirmities. And the same fate awaits you now. So get married and then I shall.
And good enough, he has a beautiful wife, Monalisa, here for him. A very beautiful princess.
Chief priest, so what are the necessary requirements?
All the necessary rites must be fulfilled.
God. My prince,
Yes, Father.
And my princess, did both of you remember the discussion I had with you on the day of your arrival?
Yes, Father. I remember.
Chibiki,
Your Highness.
do you remember the discussion I had with you in my private chamber?
Yes, Your Highness. I do remember.
Amara,
My king.
do you remember the discussion I had with you on the day we strolled out?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Amara, would you like to get married to my prince? The Crown Prince of Monalisa Kingdom?
I will, my king.
Chibiki,
Your Majesty.
would you like to get married to my princess and I make you my son?
I will, Your Highness.
I agree.
So you knew that my husband wanted Amara hand in marriage all this while, and you went ahead sleeping, kissing, doing all those abominable acts with her? Really?
No, Your Majesty. I am really sorry, but my relationship with Amara has nothing to do with emotions.
I am aware of their friendship.
What?
I am aware of their friendship and I think I'm okay with it.
Wait, just ordinary love. Just love.
Yes, Father. I will marry Amara and I will make her the queen of this kingdom.
No! No, this is not right. This wasn't the agreement. This was what you promised to my Majesty.
My queen, this is something.
No.
Just friendship. Why not? Why? You don't have a trailer.
I heard the queen telling Lady Eunice that the king told you no, that the princess is going to get married to a Chibiki.
So I've been deceiving myself all time long. All alone, cooking dreams, all in vain.
I told you that when the time is right, the gods will reveal the answers to all your questions.
So you are aware of all this while? And you never bothered to tell me your love. You kept me in the dark.
What should I have told you? The king's big secrets. Come on, I'm never going to do that. Besides, I only heard the queen telling Lady Eunice on the phone. That's how I got to hear about the king's secrets.
Oh, I see. There might be other secrets yet unrevealed. So, my love, tell me. What is the other?
There is no other secrets. I told you everything I knew.
Are you sure there are no others?
Yes.
You may now kneel down.
The gods have sinned. Bless this union. May peace, love, and fidelity abound.
I, Igwe, Dikeh the first of Monalisa Kingdom. I bless these amazing souls to the different throne. Princess Aledo to Chibiki. And my prince, fine boy, Tamara. It shall be well with all of you. You shall all be fruitful. Go and multiply. You may rise.
is a palace of unforgettable memories. Though the king's health is unstable, but he still maintains peace in the land. Also a place where history and beauty reigns.